Alright guys, so here is the video for the PowerPoint presentation. To get here you need to go to office.com, log in with your school credentials, and then go to the PowerPoint app. We've already done the Outlook, Word, Excel, and now we're doing PowerPoint. Okay, so once you get to PowerPoint, first thing you're going to do when you open it is go to blank presentation. You want to start a new blank presentation, and then we're going to go ahead and click up here the same way we do with Word and Excel, and we're going to call this second period my PowerPoint, or whatever period you're in. Alright, once you give it a title, this is my presentation here, by the way, 10 slides. They've all got transitions. I know I require 2 pictures per slide, but if it's a really good slide like this one that, you know, one picture just does it, you can make up with the pictures on another slide. For instance, this slide has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pictures in it, so I guess you need a total of at least 20 pictures and text on each slide. The text you can go ahead and get from Wikipedia. I don't mind if you copy and paste it, just clean it up. If there is a blue, highlighted blue with a link, you can right click on that and click on remove hyperlink, and that'll get rid of those blue underlined links. Okay, so works fairly simple, just like all the other ones, and as you start putting in pictures, you'll notice that it gives you these designer options on the right, and this will help make it look very professional. This is a new feature, and so it's really helping the presentations come to life. If you don't know how to get there, or if it's not there, you can click on design and click on designer, and it'll show up. Okay, so to add a picture, you just go to insert, and if you want to bring your down arrow here to switch the ribbons, you can go to pictures and you can click on Bing Pictures, or you could go to Google, right click, copy, and then come to PowerPoint and paste the picture directly like that. You can also do that with text, by the way. But if you want to add a new text box, for instance right here, I wanted to say something up here, I can go to insert and go to text box, and what that'll do is it'll bring up this text box, and you can move it around to where you want and type out whatever you want in there, and then of course from there it works just like it does in Microsoft Word, and you can make it bigger, center it, change the color, and so on and so on. Okay, to add a new slide, for instance, and you can do more than 10 slides if you'd like. To add a new slide, you go to the insert. Well, there's 2 ways to do it. From home, you can just click on new slide, and you can click one in with one of these templates, or you could just go blank. I like to just go blank. And when you're in there, that's how you create a new slide. You can go there or insert a new slide, and that'll add a new slide as well. To delete a slide, you just right click on it and delete slide. Okay, you also need a video. To add a video, you go to insert, online video, and you can just paste your YouTube link right here and click insert. Alright, and then that'll insert the video, and then you need at least 1 video. You can have more than 1 video, but you need at least 1 video. Take advantage of the designer templates and also transitions. So you can click on a slide and give it a transition. There's all these options to choose from. Now if you finish your, or if you already finished with your PowerPoint, go ahead and go through some of these options. Let me show you how the animation one works. You click on animation, and you can click on a certain picture or text box, and you can have that certain thing come in. So I want that to fade in, and then I click on this one and I want it to fly in. And let me show you how that works. If I go to slideshow from current slide, you'll see that it'll all appear with the transition that I added, and then these are the pictures are not there until I click the mouse, and that one flies in. Alright, so take advantage of that option and make sure that you add in a animation. Alright, go to animations and then just click on whatever you want, and you have all these options to choose from. Alright, so have some sort of animations as well. Okay, and once you have all that done and you have all your transitions, if you want to see your slideshow, click on slideshow from beginning, and then you can click or use the arrow keys to navigate this presentation, and you'll see there the transitions and now the animations. Okay, and I'm just going to run through it here real quick. There's the video, it works, and lastly, there's that. Okay, so that's your presentation. What you're going to do is share it with me. Click on share, copy the link, and then upload the link to Google Classroom.